Hey guys, John, HONING Technologies here today. Today's video is going to be about why you, if you've not done business with us, why you should do business with us in the future or right now. Call the sales team if you're ready to do business with us right now. But I have a couple reasons of why you should do business with us. Number one is we have hands down the best warranty in the industry. There is no other company in the world that can compete with our lifetime warranty. That is number one, hands down. We have a range of things listed on the website that we do not cover under the lifetime warranty, but we stand behind our product. And there have not been many times where we have not helped people, even if it's been beyond the scope of what we do and do not cover. So that is a big thing. We stand behind the product. We believe in it, and we want you to be successful. So number two, why you should do business with HONING Technologies. Number two, we are built here in the USA. If you are a believer in USA products, then that's what we do. We build stuff here. If you've seen our factory tours, we show you the entire operations and how we do it and what we do, but we build products in the USA. Number three is gonna be our trade-up program. So we have the lifetime warranty made in the USA and the trade-up program. The trade-up program is another fantastic program that nobody else in the world has, specifically for wet blasting equipment. And that is where when you purchase a machine, no matter what the cost is, when you purchase that product, you never lose that money. So if you want to step up to the next best thing or the biggest or bigger cabinet, you can roll that money into that next product and not have to worry about losing any of your hard-earned money. And we're here to support you and stand behind you and help you grow your business or your hobby, if you will. So those are the top three reasons. Let's go on to number four. We have taken the most flack in the past for our customer service, but I can guarantee you one thing, we help our customers. I have an entire sales staff on the phone all day, every day, not just selling equipment, but helping service and serve you, the end user, and fix your product. We have thousands and thousands of customers worldwide, so this is a very tall order. And we've also put in certain procedures and things in place where you can go and get help online 24/7. And that is something that's at our knowledge base page. And if you're a machine owner, you can go straight to our knowledge base page, and you guys can put that in the comments below there and show people where to go. But you have to have a password to get through to that page, and you have to be a machine owner from us to get there. But there is a plethora of resources listed there for help. But the services, of course, include some of the things that we mentioned before, the lifetime warranty, the trade-up program, the Made in the USA. But I can guarantee you, I've worked with many different companies on a daily, weekly basis, and nobody supports a product like we do, hands down. I mean, we have people on the phone all day, every day. And if you're one of those customers that needs help, and I'll go ahead and mention that right now, go ahead and email in at info@HONINGtechnologies.com, and we can get you some help. If you don't get a response, email again. That's what we're here for. Sometimes we miss it, sometimes we mess up, and sometimes we delete things accidentally, not on purpose, no doubt. But those are the big four reasons of why you should do business with HONING Technologies in 2023. One of the reasons that we provide the best service, the best in-class service, is really how this company started, how it began. And the way that happened was I was actually the end user, like yourself. So I started offering services all across the country. And so I remember the machine breaking down and not having anyone to fix it. Why? Because I'd actually designed it and built it myself. So I had to figure it out. I had to figure out how to fix it. I didn't have all these other little thieves in the world stealing information from people, but I had to figure this thing out. And so being the end user, I have preached and I have led and instructed the entire staff to take care of you, the customer, because I understand what it's like to be on that side. And again, that's why we created these other programs, you know, the lifetime warranties, the trade-up options, those things are there specifically to help you continue using your product, get great service out of it, great value, and then you can keep doing business with us in the future. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Hit that button. Also turn on your notifications so that when we release a new video, you get to see that and you get to get a little bit of education from that. And as always, we thank you for watching.